All right, YouTube, so unfortunately my GNSS was dead, so we're just gonna run it. I like the way the second's changing now. I might not even mess with it with the new spring. I won't really be able to tell if it's faster or not until I get next to Sammy and we be able to test it. Other than that, I'm gonna run this tank through it. They got that little star. I really ain't want to mess with the low end because that might help me. Let me see. All right, YouTube, I mess with that low end. Let's see if it helped me off the line. I'm gonna do 2 of them because I gotta clear it out. Sound like that, I'll leave it out too much. We'll see. Still sound like it got a little slouch in it. What y'all think about the clutch? This is the stock clutch. Should I go back to the 8th scale clutch? Because the springs will be much tighter and I'll be able to rev them. It won't snatch, probably leave as far. It would rev up and then snatch, so that might help with the takeoff because that first gear, it's a little iffy. I might be able to keep the 18. I might be able to put, it sounds weird, but I might be able to put the purple first, which is the 18, and then put the 22 because I didn't move the motor for the mesh, so this mesh might work with those 2 gears. So it'll still help me with the bottom end, and also the red gear would help me for the top end. We'll see. Load it up right there. Making sure she's still good for that on-road racing. Oh! Ah! Running out of gas, that's what that means. Wasn't bad, I had fun. Yeah, we're running out of gas. Nitro. All right, YouTube, I'm happy with it. Think I can still play with those gears? I wanted to run out of nitro, so But I think I could still play with those gears. Let me know what y'all think. Should I leave it like this or try that purple first gear instead of that red one? Because that'll go down from a 18. I will go down from a 19 to an 18, but I will still have the 22 in the back end. So this is the gears right here I'm talking about. Those are the reds I have in there. So when I set this up with those reds in there, I didn't touch anything, right? I just unbolted the engine, swapped the gears, and bolted it right back in. I didn't move the mount at the bottom. If y'all can see, it's a whole nother mount down there. I didn't move that mount. So I should be able to put a purple gear in here for the first gear to drop me down from 19 to 18, because the car sounded better with the 18, but still sounded like it needed this 23 because it was a 22 on here. Now going to spur, it would make a dramatic change, because I would have to go from 47 to a 45 and 43 to a 41. So that might make the car sound too sluggish. Now with a big block, that might be better, but that's coming up in another video, so y'all stay tuned for that. Me, Sammy, and Benji got some big block builds coming, so y'all stay tuned for that. And hopefully we can get together, get a good run video in of them, and I'll actually give you a sneak peek of one of the cars I'm working on with the big block in it. Other than that, y'all stay tuned for more. I can't wait to get this back out, because I want to play with this gear. I want to get this car dialed in. Next time I'm going to charge the GNSS, and I'm going to take a zip tie, because I'm going to strap it up here so we can actually see what the car is doing, what's the mileage. Because I do feel like the car on the top end was getting down a little bit more than it was before. So anyway, we'll see what happens, y'all. Y'all stay tuned for more. Let's see.